So this will be how to upgrade your PSP faceplate with a new glass lens. This procedure takes maybe 5 minutes and is the better option over the plastic alternative. So first you're going to want to remove the old lens, and I recommend starting from one of the corners. I typically like to start from top right. To stick your flathead in and kind of twist it up a little bit. Then just work your way around. After that is done, use a razor blade to get some of the excess glue off along the edges. Just take a razor blade and just kind of shave it off a little bit. You could also probably do this without, or install the faceplate lens without scraping some of the old glue off, but I just prefer to do this anyway. And just make sure you get all the scraps off. Looks good. Next step is applying the glue. I prefer to use the B7000 glue, but whatever you happen to have might work fine as well. I just don't recommend super glue. Then you want to place it all around the border. Then let it sit for a few minutes to let the glue harden up a bit. Then you'll be setting the glass lens on. So that the glue has had time to firm up, now you gotta set the glass lens in. And try to only grab by the edges. This one happens to be cracked, which is unfortunate, but we just orient it with the two notches at the bottom going down here. Set the left side in first. And you'll want to apply light pressure at the edges. Get the glue to touch. You want to do this all the way around, trying to not touch the viewing section. Once you have it all set in place, you want to add a little bit more glue onto the edges. And this is just firm up the hold so it doesn't potentially come loose in the future. And then after that, you just give it some time, an hour or so. More time, the better. And you can just set it back on your system and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions, just add them in the comments, or any other things you'd like to see in future videos, just add them in there. Thanks.